Today, the Mitchell Chase Report is in Egypt. We're near Cairo on the Giza Plateau. We're currently situated on the southern flank of the Great Pyramid, and we're inspecting a platform constructed of very large basalt blocks. Now, basalt is a very hard material. It's about 6.5 to 7 on the Mohs scale, which is just slightly less hard than granite. It's pretty brittle, it's pretty hard to work, and it's quite apparent to us after examining some of these stones that the cuts that you're seeing here were made by wire saws. Wire saws that are indeed apparently not much different than the designs that we currently employ in quarry work. Now, I've appended a couple of photographs here of modern quarry wire saws so that you can see what kind of machine we're talking about. Um, Mostly they're fairly large machines and they're what they call stationary machines. Another very interesting thing going on with this set of paving stones is the joinery, the way that these stones have been cut and fit together, the joints where they intersect is absolutely mind-boggling. The joints are so tight that you couldn't put a human hair in there, and it's that way throughout the paving area. This is a core drill trace. As you can see, very fine abrasive and left a really smooth track through the basalt. The stones themselves are very, very weathered. They're very ancient. They're thousands of years old, and yet they have maintained their integrity and display a really quite remarkable jigsaw sort of pattern of assembly. Now, we find the fact that wire saws were in use 5,000 years ago quite at odds with what the academics, what the Egyptologists are telling us about things that were possible back then. And we'd like to see more light shed on this subject if possible.